If you own a pool, HTH is here to help. A common problem with any pool is cloudy water. That's because there are so many things that can cause it. Let's go down the list. Cloudy pool water can be caused by a chemical imbalance, a water circulation problem, a biological contaminant like early algae growth, or a physical contaminant like storm debris. Now, we'll show you how to solve it. Start with the obvious and scoop out any branches or leaves from the pool water. Next, make sure the pump and filter are working properly. If necessary, use HTH Pool Care filter cleaner to remove any debris. Just follow the label instructions for this product. Once your pump and filter are good to go, test and balance your water with HTH 6-way test strips. After balancing your pool water, you'll want to check your free available chlorine level. If it's between 1 and 4 parts per million, and you can see the bottom of the pool, you can start by adding HTH Pool Care Clarifier Advanced, and then circulate the water. Before you use any chemicals, make sure you have on protective gloves and eyewear. Never mix different chemicals or dissolve them before use, and always follow label instructions. Then, clean or backwash your filter, whichever is right for your filter type. Now, if your free available chlorine level is below 1 part per million, start by brushing the bottom of the pool to stir up any settled contaminants. Then, shock your pool with an HTH shock treatment, following the label instructions. Let the shock work overnight while the filter is running. If the water's still a little hazy in the morning, add HTH Pool Care Clarifier Advanced to help remove any residual particles. If you still can't see the bottom of the pool, add HTH Pool Care Dropout Flocculant following the label instructions. Finally, test your pool water again to make sure your free available chlorine level is between 1 and 4 parts per million. If so, you're ready to jump back into action. Thanks for watching. Now you know the best way to get back to beautifully clear water. For more helpful tips, watch our other HTH Pool Care videos. You're all clear with HTH.